Welcome to today's CBS class, my dear children. Dear children, so in the previous classes we have discussed about a topic that is the people around us, isn't it? So in that topic we have learned about that there are many people who are present us who are making our life comfortable, isn't it? So we are leading a very comfortable life means behind that there are so many people are there, isn't it? We are wearing a comfortable dress means behind that tailor is there, isn't it? We are taking the food properly means your mom will cook the food at the proper time, isn't it? Like that. So there are many people who are behind us, they are making our life comfortable, isn't it? And we have learned about the community helpers and social workers, isn't it? So we are learned about the social. Who are the social workers? So they do not need the money to work. They work for the free, and they will work for the wellness of the society. Okay. So such peoples are called as the social workers. Annie Besant, okay, Baba Amte. So these many peoples who are very famous as the social workers, since they are working for the society, working for the goodness of the society, isn't it? So this much we have learned in our last class. In the today's session, let us discuss about the working children. So this all of you are completed this activity, isn't it? So you have to complete this activity in your task book. Okay, you must do this activity. Or the fun time. This is the work. Okay, this work should be completed in your task book. Okay, so these many topics we have covered in the last class. We have covered about the community helpers, social workers. Okay, and we are also discussed about the family at work. How does the family members also plays a very important role in making our life comfortable. So this much we have discussed in our last session, isn't it? So in the family also, grandpa is there, grandmother is there, okay, father, mother, brothers, each children are also present in the family. They also work themselves. If the working woman is there means, then the children prepare their bag, school bag, okay, they wear their uniform. So all the works are done by children also. Like this, family members are also work together to making their life comfortable. So now let's move to the next topic, working children. Working children. So I'll read it first. Look at the textbook. There are some children who work as well as go to the school to study. So you people are only going for the school and they give the homework, teacher will teach the lesson, you will learn that, you will learn the question answer, you will attend the unit test. So this is the only work you are doing. But there are some students are there are some of the children are there who are study along with the study, they will also go to the work. Okay. For example, many young boys often clean car in morning and then go to the school because of their poor condition in the home. So because their parents are not such a condition to give the education. So that purpose, what the children will do. So in the morning, usually the school will start at the 9:30 onwards, isn't it? So before that, what they will do? They will sell the newspapers or they will go to the car showroom. They wash the car. Okay. So such children are called as working children. Along with the study, what they will do? They will also do the work. So before the school hours, what they will do? They will work. Okay. So next, some children are not able to go to the school at all. There are some children who will go to the school and as well as they will work. But there are some children who don't have an opportunity to go to the school. Okay, they want to study but they are forced to work because their family is poor and cannot send them to the school. So there are some children are there, they wish to study, they are very interesting regarding the study, but because of their poor conditions in their family, so it's make them to stay at home only and they are forced to do some work to help the family. Okay, so there are some children who will work and as well as study, but there are some children who don't, even though they are very wish to go to the school, because of the poor condition they are forced to go to the work. Okay, moreover they bring extra money for the family. But it is not fair to the children and it is must be discouraged. If this is happening in our nearby places, please tell them to avoid that. Okay, because the children must get the education. Okay, so the children should not be punished in the form of poorness. Okay, even though it's a poorness is there, means they have to send to the school. Okay, in the free time they also work. It's not problem. But studies or education is most important in the each children's life. Okay, it should be discouraged. We should not encourage this type of peoples in the society. We have to discourage. Okay, we have to encourage the students to go to the school and get the education. Are you understood the topic about the working children? So working children in the sense what? Along with the study, they will work. Okay, but there are some children who are having an interest in regarding the education, but they have not got the opportunity to go to the school because of their poor condition. They are forced to go to school. Such type of the actions must be discouraged. Okay, we should encourage the children to go to the school. Okay, because government has made a lot of free education for the children. So parents must utilize that one and send their children to the government schools also. Okay, they can get the good education. Okay, children. So if they are in the poor conditions, means we should not avoid them to go to the school. Because the government has made a lot of educational schemes. Okay, they can utilize that one also. Okay, but education is one of the right of the children's. Okay, that's why it should be given to the children. That right should be given to the children. Okay, so next is ways to help the working children. How we can help the working children? How we can help the working children? Let's see. Encourage the working children to go to school. Even though they are working, means we have to encourage them to go to school. Explain the importance of education to their families. So if they are having anyone in the family, if they are educated, means they can also educate the peoples in the family also. That's why we have to explain the importance of education in the families. Okay, give them to the whole books, pencils, erasers, sharpeners and crayons. If you have any extra pencils, if you have any extra erasers, we can donate them. Take this one, go to school, study this one. This is very important for your education. Like that, we have to encourage them. Teach them in your spare time. If you have a spare time, means we can teach them. This is about the alphabets. These are the numbers. These are the tables. We can also teach them when you are free. Okay. So in these ways, we can encourage or help the working children. Are you understood? Okay, so this completes our third lesson, that is people around us. Are you understood this topic very well, dear students? I hope you are understood, because you know the importance of the peoples behind us, isn't it? So nowadays also, even you are sitting in the home and you are watching the classes, so that you are feeling comfortable, means you are having a mobiles. That mobiles are provided by your parents by spending the money. So you are sitting, you are observing the comfortable, isn't it? You are sitting in the home and you are observing the class in the comfortable way. So who made that comfortable? Your parents, like this. So there are so many people who are present behind us, who are making us life comfortable. So we have to be very faithful to the peoples who are behind us. So this completes the lesson, people around us. So let us read out the points that we have discussed in that is whole chapter. Okay, the different kinds of work people do the earn money is called as occupation, that you have learned. People have different types of occupations like tailor, cobbler, carpenter, electrician, etc. Milkman, maid and sweeper are some people who help us in our daily chores. So these service of community helpers like the doctors and teachers help us. These are called the doctors and teachers are called as community helpers. Okay. In family, all members contribute in different ways to make their home and happy place. Some children who belong to very poor families are forced to work to fulfill the family needs. So this much we have discussed in the chapter 3, that is people around us. I hope you have understood this chapter. Dear students, I will give the exercise questions later. Okay, so you have to read the chapter once or twice. Okay, you have to analyze each word. Okay, and one more important thing is you should not make the spelling mistakes. Spellings are very important. Okay, the words, if any one letter is missing, means the whole word meaning is wrong. Okay, that's why you have to practice the spellings very well. So I will give the exercise questions later. Okay, in the next class I will give in the 4th chapter. Thank you.